Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. We have started with the unit number 3B and we are interested for the definition of the condition monitoring. Now, in the previous class we have discussed the important concept related to the condition monitoring. So, in that we have discussed that 100% condition maintenance results into the 0% of breakdown or failure of the electrical equipment. So, the root causes we are interested, and these root causes are nothing but the failure of the electrical equipment. And if the root causes we can identify in the early stages, so we can say that we can prevent that machine to go into the failure. So let's say the root causes are, let's say, the corrosion or the misalignment of the shaft. Because of the corrosion, and there will be the fracture, and you can, let's say, there is a corrosion for, you can say, the rotor of the motor. So due to the continuous corrosion developed on the rotor, after some time, after periodic time of interval, it will get fracture and it will result into the main shaft failure, and it results into the failure mode. Let's say again there is a misalignment of the shaft. It results into the deformation, so it changes its position as circular, or you can say as circular to ellipsoid, and because of this there is a main shaft failure is going to occur. So we have to make the root cause analysis if this problem persists, and how condition monitoring will diagnose with the help of this root cause problem. So here I have made the list of the root causes. These are the few root causes which are developed inside the electrical equipment. Let's say the defective design by the manufacturer, the defective material or the component, the defective installation results into the failure of the electrical equipment, the defective maintenance or operation, ambient conditions, temperature conditions, surrounding conditions we have to take care. Overspeeding is a reason of failure. Overload can be a reason of failure. Component failure, excessive temperature is under the category of ambient condition. Winding over temperature results into the failure. Bearing over temperature results into the failure. And these are the failure modes for electrical as well as for the mechanical. So let's say for the electrical, core insulation failure is a, you can say, the failure mode. The stator winding insulation, the rotor winding insulation failure, the brush gear failure, slip ring failure, the commutator failure can be there, and the last is the electrical trip. For the mechanical case, let's say the bearing failure might be there, the rotor mechanical integrity failure, and the last is a stator mechanical integrity failure. I hope you understood these root causes and the failure modes. In the next class, we will discuss the unit number 4, that is called as a condition monitoring and testing of electrical equipment. Thank you. God bless you all.